Hyperscalers spent $725 billion on GPUs. vLLM is the software layer that turns those GPUs into revenue from zero. One line, vLLM is an open source LLM inference and serving engine born at UC Berkeley SkyLab, now the de facto standard for self-hosted LLM inference. The problem it solves, naive HuggingFace serving, wastes GPU memory, underutilizes the silicon, around 30% utilization on a $30,000 H100, that's $21,000 of every card, sitting idle. How vLLM wins. Trick 1. PagedAttention treats the KV cache like virtual memory pages, up to 4 times less memory waste, enables much larger batch sizes, same GPU, serves more users simultaneously. Trick 2. Continuous batching. New requests slot into a running batch. Mid-generation, GPU stays at around 100% utilization instead of 30, not one at a time, not fixed windows, continuous flow. 3 components, LLM engine, Python interface, where you load the model, PagedAttention kernel, custom CUDA, where the trick lives, OpenAI compatible HTTP server, drop-in, for any OpenAI client library. The benchmark, up to 14 to 24 times higher throughput than naive HuggingFace serving. Llama 3 8B, 8 concurrent users. vLLM, about 187 tokens per second. Ollama, about 82, same model, same GPU. Supported models, Llama family, Mistral, Qwen, DeepSeek, GPTOSS, Gemma, Phi, Mistral, and hundreds more. If it's a modern open source LLM, it probably works under vLLM. Who ships it? Meta, Mistral, Cohere, IBM, plus most self-hosted LLM stacks. If a company runs its own inference and cares about GPU ROI, it probably runs vLLM in production. Ties to today's story. EP88. Big Tech spent $725 billion on GPUs. vLLM is what makes those GPUs generate revenue. Instead of sit at 30% utilization, that gap times the total CAPEX is real dollars, real ROI. Recap. 3 components, LLM engine, PagedAttention kernel, OpenAI compatible server, plus 1 attention trick, plus 1 batching trick. That's vLLM, 14 to 24 times higher throughput. Same GPU, different software, where the $725 billion actually earns its keep. Follow Honest Tech Takes every day.